Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Sun. Excuse me. Coding is fun. So in this video we'll play with an array of random numbers. This time try to find out the second largest one. Okay? So pause the video, right? Give it a try. How can we find the second largest of within an array of integers? Let's create an array of integers first. So int, var, numbers. Okay. Data type is an array of int equals empty. Okay. A for loop. All right. Let's generate 10 of them. Okay. 0 dot dot, that's then 10 of them. Okay, 10 of them. And numbers. Oh, last time we used this one, right? Can we use like numbers? Is there an insert? Oh yeah. So just for demonstration, right, we can insert one at an index. So okay, so we'll create an arc union upper, let's say, yeah, 2-digit numbers at 0. So we'll insert one at the beginning of this. Y int. Okay, let's fix that automatically. Yeah. Now let's try to print out all of them. Number in numbers, right? So print out number. Okay, run it. Let's put them in a single row. Okay, terminators space. So I wasn't used, so that's use. Replace that with a underscore. Run it again. So now think about that. How can we find the second largest, right? Here, second largest. Second largest. One solution is we just keep the largest and the second largest. Okay. var largest int equals, oh, we don't know what it is. We can okay, the idea is we'll always update the largest and the second largest when we loop through all the numbers in the array. Okay, so I think we can put it here. So we can assign it the first one in this, right? Sub-0, and we are second largest, okay, equals number, the second element. Okay, so now we need to make sure this one is greater than that one, right? Otherwise do we need this one? Like if second is greater than largest, then we we can swap them. Is there a swap? Oh, there's a swap function call, right? Swap function call second and largest and second. int. Oh, we needed to put. Okay, so this is wow. That's something new. Okay, we needed to put this one here. This is like the reference of this variable. It means, yeah, that's the requirement. So don't worry about that for now. Okay, so this is the how we swapped two numbers, two variables, the content of two variables using the system provided swap function. Let's test this first, okay? So print out largest and the second and let's put it here so we can compare. Run it. So large is this one. Oh, it's smaller. Okay, yeah, it works, right? So it works. So it means this one works. Now let's handle here. That's all the numbers. Okay. Our real logic is here for number in numbers. Now we have the current largest and the second largest, so we can compare this one, right? Number, if number is greater than, oh sorry, if number is greater than the largest, so we'll put the number here, right? Replace that one with number. Else if, okay, now let's try else if this is the first time we meet this guy. Else if number, right, is less than second, so we'll replace, right, it's less than, oh no, okay, so L, so if it's the greater than that one, we cannot just do that, we need to update the second too, right, like that. And so now if this one is less than or if this one is less than, is between the largest and the second, okay, oh, other than that, okay, so else if this one is greater than, yeah, if it's greater than that, it means is here, it means is number is less than or equal to largest and greater than second. So yeah, we can replace the second with this one. If it's less than, yeah, we don't need to do anything after that. So let's run it. Oh, we haven't print out the thing. Now we can print out our result, right? Print out second equals the second largest equals that. Let's put a line break here, but let's check that. So here, which one is the second largest? Largest is 80. Oh, the second, of course, is also 80. Let's run again. $88 is largest. Oh, what? There's a bug. This is a terrible bug, right? This is largest, not the second largest. The problem is we have to do this first, right? Otherwise, the second will be same as the largest. Wow. Sorry about that. Right? We have to do that. So this is the original largest. Now we assign the original largest to the second largest and update the largest with the new number. Okay. So we do need to test, right? Run again. 71, is it the second largest? Yeah, 86 is the largest. Cool. And let's get rid of that. Our smart friend, right? You might find we waste like 2 cycles by handling because the first 2 we already handled, but that's some details, yeah, and we ignored here, right? So we repeat the first 2 numbers of the array. Okay, let's try it again. So which one is the largest? 83. Now 82, second largest. There still is a terrible, nasty bug in the code. While I'm testing, I met a sequence of that data, right? This kind of data, and so if I put in this one, I can reproduce the bug. Okay, so by copy of that, we have to add those commas, right? So it means we cannot copy from the sample data from the console. That's why I would suggest to output instead of, right, using the separator terminator of space, we can use that one. Okay, so now let's run it to reproduce the bug. Okay, let me show you. Oh, we have to comment out this one. Sorry about that. This time we are using the hard-coded sample data to reproduce. You see the bug, right? This one is the largest, not the second largest. Why? The reason is here. After we figure out after we handle the first 2 number elements here, right? Then the logic arrives here. the number so the first one, you see, the first one, right? In the first iteration of this for loop, the number is, this one is 95, NUM is 95. It's not greater than largest. So the logic, right, arrives here, but it is greater than 15. The current, right, second largest. So we just assign the second with 95. That's why the disaster happens. So there's a bunch of ways to fix that. Oh, let's remove this one. Don't worry about that. We can assign the minimum integer dot minimum, yeah, minimum to that. So those two numbers, right? Those two numbers so far are the minimum of integers, which is very, very small number, negative, a huge thing. Okay, now let's retest that. Yeah, 68. That's correct. That is correct. Okay, so now this time, you see, we can simply copy this, right? Copy that and to put back here, right? For example, if you meet some wrong result, you want to, right, hard-coded it, sorry, and run again. You don't need to manually add the comma, right? That's a smart way for debugging. Okay, cool. Now, since we fixed the bug, right, we can put it back. This one, remove that, and uncomment out this. Let's test again. The second largest. 92. Yeah, 93 is the biggest one. Okay, great. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Why this will never be executed? Oh, yeah, we don't need this one now, right? Because this one, the logic, this will handle everything, right? Starting from this one. This one, of course, anyone should be greater or equal to this one. Now, that's the final code. Yeah, obviously, this code is much more challenging than finding the largest. 78, is it correct? 91. Oh, we have 278. Yeah, it works. Great. Thank you. Bye.